allocating such roles to commissioners. Why didn't they protest? Is this chairperson we are dealing with such a terror that nobody can face him and tell him you can't do this? Because now what we are hearing, these are serious disclosures. Because you can imagine I being, but because I was upset by my friend Willis for having tried to compare. So I'm just wondering, why is it that very serious Kenyans did not seize that chance and protest to the Kenyan people that what we are being given, the roles we are being assigned, have nothing to do with tallying and verification and carrying out our constitutional mandate. I think this is tied to my colleague here, is why to the tail end? Because I'm sure the voter out there also wants to know. So let me leave it at that.